stop. Steve, slow down.
Sharpest turn of the car.
All right, you gotta swing it. I'm swinging it.
Oh, Steve, stop.
We got this.
Steve!
We got this. One-handed with a laptop.
Oh, shit! Stop, dude! What
All
the
right,
fuck?
I got it for YouTube. We're good. It would appear as if we have something on fire down here.
When he was on the track. Oh, no!
Only in Kentucky can you literally tow 2 cars back to back. That is freaking epic. 2 cars back to back on a temp tag nonetheless too. Good for you.
All 3 of them.
All 3 temp. What am I doing? Anyway, guys, welcome to the video. We are back with another hit. We are actually almost in Bowling Green, Kentucky. We've got a couple car things we're gonna do. I don't really know which one we're gonna do yet first, but stay tuned and I will let you know when we decide what we decide on doing. I think you'll be okay riding in the car. I feel like it's your best option.
Gary, I believe it is your best option. And it's not. This isn't going to end. Once he starts, you know it's going over.
I even brought the charger, so I got it all night.
Open track session 5 minutes.
Come on, buddy. Start time. Are you doing it? Yeah, tomorrow. I was just on the track. He was on the track. He was on the track. Oh! No, you got him out of the car. Come on. That doesn't count. Gary, that one doesn't count. Gary,
That one doesn't count, he says.
Yes, it does. That's for recording me puking.
Full charge.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to the channel.
30-second warning.
30 seconds. Is this the start? We're
30
starting
seconds
the parade
and
now?
counting.
How did we end up in this situation?
No, you guys said rush and
They went without us and now they're letting us go
We got 4
Do you-
behind us.
Steve, you remember the last parade lap that I did and it wasn't the parade lap? I was following a corner worker out onto the
through.
track.
We followed a corner
So-
worker out onto the track.
So I came out here.
They pulled off to the track
There
to
was-
their corner spot and he didn't know what to do.
There was no one in the paddock, but a car went out on the track, and so I thought I'm gonna follow this car on track. It's the parade lap.
Yeah.
I followed it
Good?
all the way around the track.
Yep.
All right, guys,
We are not the worst vehicle out there. Look at that thing. What is that, a Dodge Colt or a Toyota Celica?
We're about to take corners in the 1500 Ram. We should all do this at the same exact time as we're recording.
Do I have
I should have brought that rental truck out.
Do I have to freaking follow people? Like, who am I following?
Yeah,
Am I bringing up the rear?
guidance.
All right, guys, they said keep it at 35, but we got this. Oh, there's people.
Just do a fast 35.
Yeah. We're just catching up. It's 40. We're good. I'm not gonna lie, we can hit strips. We're coming in hot.
Oh my God.
You know, at first I thought I was gonna laugh, but 35 in a corner in a truck is actually fast.
This feels a little dangerous.
This is my truck on Sebring in the rain.
Dude, we're only doing 30.
That would be in town.
All over the place. It was awesome.
Dude, we got people waving. What the hell did you get me into? We're the slowest car out here. We gotta hurry. So what do? You come into the corner a little.
Slow it down in the corners.
Wow.
Then, 35? 50, that's fine.
Do you know how slow I feel like we're going right now?
Yeah, I literally,
Not when we're in a truck with 6 people, pal.
I literally feel like I'm just going to Walmart.
So you have to turn
Oh, God.
right.
We got to swing it for another corner.
Jesus Christ. Break. Steve, break.
Sharp turn.
Break.
Times are fucking.
He's saying slow down, dude. He's saying slow down.
He's saying slow down. He's saying slow down.
It was only 30, though.
Yeah, he saw your truck about to roll over.
We were on 3 wheels, bro.
It's literally only 30 miles an hour. It wasn't
30
like...
miles an hour on all 4 wheels.
He was talking to the guy behind us.
Oh, Steve, stop.
Catch my knife. Catch my knife.
Oh my God, Steve, stop.
10% off.
Yeah. Promo code Send a Steve, all one word, knivesdeal.com. Check them out. Great pieces.
Jesus Christ, I've never thought I'd be so scared going 35 miles an hour.
We're literally only doing 40.
Follow the line, Steve. Just follow the other cars. Brake, slow the fuck
This
down.
is a sharp turn.
Steve, stop. Steve, slow down.
Sharpest turn of the
All
car.
right, you gotta swing it. I'm swinging it.
Oh, Steve, stop.
We got this.
Steve.
We got this. One-handed with a laptop.
Handle back here. There is not. Oh, it's right there. That right hand corner is the most dangerous.
I'm not going in the car. I'm done. I'm not driving.
Dude, that was only 20.
I'm not doing 100 in the car. I don't care.
That was literally
You
20.
gotta turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right. Yep. You don't see that right turn.
Oh,
So they call that corner deception.
oh God. My stomach, dude, I'm gonna throw up.
Good.
Doing 35 miles an hour.
This is actually insane. I'm not gonna lie. This was more fun than I thought. When you said drive a truck around for a parade lap, I was like, come on, guys, I'm not gonna drive a truck for a parade lap. And here we are, ripping it, driving a truck through the parade lap. Look, it's a parade. You can wave. Like, it's literally a parade
They're
lap.
waving him down.
They're actually trying to talk me off of the track right now.
Oh, my head.
Hey, Julio, get that freaking truck up. Put that guy in that orange hat.
Slow.
Slow,
Stay
yeah,
slow.
I
Right turn,
am.
right turn.
We got this.
It's a really fast corner.
Yeah, this is a very fast corner.
So pick up the speed.
No,
I got
Steve,
it.
not in the truck.
It's not my truck. We're
I'm
fine.
in the truck.
Track left,
Not my truck.
track left.
That's the opposite response.
Now right turn.
To get there.
Steve, slow.
Now we are going to go into the sinkhole
Why
now.
would I slow down? This is
Sinkhole.
my truck.
Yep.
Yeah.
So after this right turn, we go
Oh,
into the
God.
sinkhole.
We got a car broken down.
Oh, thank the Lord.
Oh,
Slow down. Everybody
Oh,
slow
we're
down.
pitting. We're pitting. No sinkhole.
It does smell like cotton candy. Race fuel.
Tootsie Roll. What's that song?
Oh, Lord.
It smells like the strip.
So are you looking forward to your first session then in the
Dude,
Corvette?
if
Oh,
I
so
ever
we're
had to
supposed to
do...
come.
Oh, no.
That thing is really cool.
That thing is actually pretty cool. Hard left.
Oh, Jesus.
I told you. I yelled hard left.
He did give us a split second of a word.
That was a tiny one.
Definitely.
I feel sick.
Oh, cone.
Oh, shoot. We hit the cone. Jesus Christ, Steve.
Never,
my truck.
Never give me the keys to a truck. Or anything for that matter.
Yeah, you destroy them.
Dude,
I hope it
coming
didn't
after
bounce
you.
back into the Mustang. I would feel terrible. No, I wouldn't. Mustangs suck. I got all Mustang people in here. Yeah. Oh, no, I'll be like, my laptop shifted.
My camera fell. My jerk.
Yeah. My laptop literally shifted. I was tuning.
You can't.
And-
You literally cannot take Steve anywhere.
Nowhere.
Nowhere. Anywhere.
Nowhere.
Not even to his mom's house.
That's why my mom moved 1,100 miles away. She was tired of me coming over and tearing things up.
So when they come and ask, were you in the gray truck? The answer is no.
Yes. Well, Vince just got to go for a ride. He looks like a bobblehead right now, so that's got to be good.
Steve, are you recording?
Yeah.
Look at this. I gotta like.
Vince has officially realized he's got to go on a diet when he gets home. How was it?
Oh, that was fucking awesome.
He definitely wasn't as comfortable out there. You could see it in his, like, you could see it.
You're just upset I didn't come back and throw up.
No, you could see it, like, you could watch it, like, literally you could watch him.
That was awesome.
Like,
you
definitely.
Can see, you can watch my video and see how.
Why are you sweating?
It was rough, dude. It literally was rough as hell.
All right, guys, so we just took Tunnel Chaser for a ride in the 350R. What'd you think?
Oh, it was fun. That was a lot of fun. That's literally like owning your own roller coaster.
That's what I always say, yeah.
And it was some of the turns I kind of felt like I caught myself going keep the blood in my head.
I mean, is the car more capable than you thought it was?
Oh, absolutely. That was insane. That was absolutely insane. I loved it. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Anytime, bro. Anytime. Got to get yours on track now.
Yeah, if I stop breaking it.
Get
If
it.
Ford just stopped breaking.
If you could keep an engine in it. Did we release that yet?
I mean, hopefully I'll get a video out within the next month or so before you get this one.
I'm just
Yeah, guys, we gotta
wondering.
end that session a little bit early.
That was a lot of fun.
Nothing?
Get closer. I knew that was gonna happen.
Dude, is that an aluminum bumper?
It's chrome plated or something. It probably.
Yeah, it won't conduct.
my hand, like it changed the color of my hand.
It might even be aluminum.
Didn't do it at first.
What about the grill? Oh, the grill's
No, that's plastic.
Go with steel, Steve.
I don't know if I want to play with this anymore. Ow, that was dumb. It would appear as if we have something on fire down here.
It's not a Mustang.
It's
on fire, dude.
it's definitely smoking still.
Yeah, it's on fire. That looks like a Corvette.
It looks like a Corvette, or maybe even. No, it's not this color.
It's not a Corvette, guys. It's a friggin' Mustang, if anything.
Did he get out of the car? Yeah, he's out of it.
Because it's on fire.
It's on fire. Yeah, it's got the two.
Yeah, it's a Corvette.
Corvette.
Not a Corvette. Stop it.
Corvette burning at the Corvette Museum.
Still not a Corvette, guys. Stop. So we have the rollback making its way over here to what would appear to be a Mustang.
It's not
definitely
a Mustang.
not a Corvette.
It's a Corvette.
It's definitely a Mustang.
It's a C7.
It's
a silver Corvette.
No, it's definitely a Mustang,
Steve's
guys.
Corvette.
It's definitely a Mustang. I can edit this any way I want, but that's definitely a Mustang. All right, guys, so basically what happened is you've seen out there, this was the Corvette that, you know, I was joking, it was a Mustang, but this was a Corvette that kind of was smoking and having some issues, and the instructor who was with him actually said that he downshifted in the wrong spot, and it obviously, you know, sent a rod through the block. Yeah, yep. That's unfortunate, because this is a beautiful car. That's what you're supposed to say.
Oh, hold on. Go back.
Yeah.
This is a beautiful color. I like this color.
This color is absolutely gorgeous. You can tell there's a little oil down here, but hope everything gets situated with this guy and he can get it back on the track and, you know, out here having fun, what he was trying to do.
Cue wind noise now.
Oh no, it's been cued this entire video. All right, guys, so this weekend definitely has me thinking completely different thoughts, and obviously we probably knew it was going to happen. Now, we do have the C5 here. You guys do know that I use this as a drag car. I had a bunch of fun with it, but it was always braking. Now, I think what we're going to do, and again, I'll guess I'll kind of say before we get it really going into conversation and things like that, I apologize for the video jumping back and forth and jumping all over the place. We definitely just had a fun time. We were supposed to take Vince's GT350R down, and he had a little bit of an issue the day before, so definitely check him out. You're definitely not going to want to miss what happened to that car, but we were going to take his GT350R down, and he was going to actually put that on the track and have some fun with it. But we, you know, with it breaking and having issues, we didn't get to take it down. So we just kind of went down, 3 friends just hanging out, having fun. And that's exactly what we did. It was definitely a fun trip. I got to, you know, say thank you to everybody who let me, you know, do the things that I was able to do this weekend. You know, Serpent stangs, track stangs, tunnel chaser. Huge thanks again, Vince, for taking us down there and doing everything. Gary, my buddy, Boondock_Saints 44. We definitely had a good time. I mean, he got tased probably 20 times this entire trip. I got tased. I got pepper sprayed. It was definitely just a time to relax for once. You know, I don't get many times like that where I can go out and just, you know, kind of act like an adolescent again and just kind of have some fun. But I was definitely appreciative that I was able to do it, and I had a good time. This was definitely a good trip for sure for all the guys. So we do know I have this car, and it has really got me thinking that I kind of want to put this on a road course at least once, just to try it out and have some fun. Obviously, we'd have to change up some suspension components and things like that. We definitely need to upgrade the brakes and things, but who knows, guys. This car is also going next week on Monday to get wrapped. I will put all the information for that once we, you know, make that video and things like that. But there you have it, guys. If you like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe. And, you know, like I said, it was just a funny video. We had an absolute blast the entire weekend. And, you know, the video definitely jumped around. I apologize for that. But take care, guys, and I'll see you in the next upload.